Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. The last few days were a little overwhelming for me, so I couldn't really show up here. I just need some time to slow down, reset, and get back on the track. And now I'm starting again, trying to be more consistent and focused. So now I'm trying to get back on track. Currently, I'm focusing on polity. As you might have seen in my previous video, I already made some notes for polity with the help of ChatGPT and also added my understandable points. मतलब मुझे जो समझ में आया मैंने उन पॉइंट्स को भी ऐड किए हैं इसमें. सबसे पहले मैं पॉलिटी को ख़त्म करना चाहती हूँ विच इज़ NCERT ऑफ कोर्स. इसके बाद ही मैं बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स पे शिफ्ट करूँगी. मैंने रियलाइज़ किया है कि एक साथ बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स लेने में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं एंड प्रॉपर याद भी नहीं रहता है. इसीलिए अब मैं अपने दिन के सिर्फ 3 टारगेट्स रखती हूँ विच आर पॉलिटी, CSAT और मेरा ऑप्शनल सोशोलॉजी, ताकि मैं उन्हें अच्छे से पढ़ पाऊँ और प्रॉपरली कवर कर पाऊँ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं रिवीजन भी करती हूँ बिकॉज अगर रिवीजन नहीं करते हैं तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. आपने क्या पढ़ा है वो आपको कुछ याद नहीं रह पाएगा. और जो भी मैं नोट्स बनाती हूँ या पढ़ती हूँ मैं उनको दिन में 2-3 दिन के गैप में रिवाइज भी करती हूँ, वरना सब भूलने लग जाते हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली रिवीजन इज़ समथिंग यू जस्ट कांट स्किप, क्योंकि एट द एंड सिर्फ पढ़ना इनफ नहीं होता है, रिटेन करना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. अगर आप रिवाइज़ नहीं करते हो तो आपने इतनी मेहनत से जो भी पढ़ा होता है वो ग्रेजुअली माइंड से स्लिप होने लगता है. इसलिए ट्राई करना चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट 2-3 दिन में आप रिवीजन ज़रूर करें, cause it keeps everything fresh in mind and makes my preparation more effective. थोड़ा टाइम लगता है but honestly it makes a huge difference. And talking about my mornings, I usually start my day with the newspaper. I don't try to read everything. I focus more on important topics like current affair, government schemes, and international relations and editorials. I try to understand the issues rather than just reading it. And also, if I feel like I couldn't cover the properly or I didn't understand something, I make sure to watch a detailed analysis later, usually at night, obviously from YouTube. This way, I stay consistent without putting too much pressure on myself. And धीरे धीरे ही सब कुछ समझ में आता है. Just taking a small water break, staying hydrated is really important, especially when you are studying for long hours. पानी पीना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I have completed this chapter and now I am going to take a short break. During this break, I am having some Maggie. After having Maggie, I took a small pause from my studying. So after taking a short break, I get back to my studies with CSAT practice. I usually follow my classes where I solve different types of questions and try to understand the concept properly. सिर्फ सॉल्व करना ही नहीं बट एक्चुअली समझना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Along with that, I also practice PYQs because PYQs give a clear idea about the exam patterns and the level of questions, and it's very helpful. CSAT is something that needs regular practice. You can't just do it for a day or two and expect improvements. It's very very important कि हम हमेशा रेगुलर रहें CSAT पे. एंड ऑब्वियसली CSAT इज़ अ गेम चेंजर. प्रीलिम्स में CSAT एक ऐसा हर्डल होता है जिसको हमें पार करने में मुश्किल होती है. सो मेक श्योर कि आप CSAT हमेशा करें, उसको रेगुलर ही रखें. एंड या व्हेन इट कम्स टू CSAT, आई फील इट्स मोर about strategy than just studying randomly. First of all, you need to understand your strong and weak areas. कुछ लोगों का मैथ स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है एंड कुछ लोगों का कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में बेटर होता है. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू प्ले स्मार्ट. You don't have to attempt everything. Smart selection of questions is very important. I try to first go through the paper and pick the question I am more confident about instead of wasting time on difficult ones. Also, regular practice is the key, especially PYQs, because they help you understand the pattern and the types of questions UPSC actually asks. And one more thing, CSAT is not about perfection, it's about clearing the cutoff smartly. So instead of stressing too much, I focus on being consistent and improving little by little. वही काफ़ी डिफरेंस क्रिएट करता है. एंड ऑल्सो फॉर कॉम्प्रीहेंशन आई ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव माई रीडिंग स्पीड एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, क्योंकि वहाँ पे क्लैरिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. सिर्फ फास्ट पढ़ने से काम नहीं चलता है. So after finishing my CSAT practice, I like to take short break, and after that I usually spend some time cleaning my study table. It had gotten a bit messy again, so I just wanted to organize everything. I feel like when my space is clean, I'm able to focus much better. Usually, I clean my table once in around 8 to 10 days just to keep everything organized. And finally, my table is all clean now. This is how it looks after cleaning. So much better, right? At the end of the day, I like to spend some time journaling. I usually write about how my day went, what I studied, and whatever I'm feeling. I think it really helps me relax because, as an aspirant, you are so involved in your routine that you slowly get a little disconnected from everything else, like your friends, social life, everything. So instead of keeping all those thoughts in my mind, I prefer writing them down. It just makes me feel lighter and more clearer. You can also try this. And before going to sleep, I make sure to do a quick revision of whatever I studied during the day. It doesn't have to be very long, but just going through the key points helps me retaining things better. I feel like ending the day with revision makes a big difference in a long run. So right now I'm revising my polity NCRT notes that I had made earlier. I'm just going through them again to keep everything fresh in my mind. जो important points है उनको quickly recall करना है बस. And along with that, I also try to relate whatever I studied from NCRT with Lakshmikant. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this a little helpful or relatable. I will keep sharing my journey like this, and if you want to stay connected, you can subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and believe in your preparation.